done. Now we'll move to question number 13. That question is same, like already we did so many question of same type, that these two equation represent coincident lines. That means infinite many solution. Okay, so that question you can try yourself. We already know the condition of infinite many solutions. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Okay, now I'm moving to question number 14. What the link solve these two equations simultaneously. First equation, what 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, give it number 1. And second equation, what 2x minus 4y equal to negative 24, give it number 2. Now we can follow any method here, elimination method or substitution method, your choice. So I'm going to do now elimination method. So either you can eliminate x or y. So for that, whatever variable you want to eliminate, for that coefficients you try to make equal. Already you can see that your x coefficients are there equal only, but we cannot cancel that because having same sign, so we will perform subtraction. Okay, so subtraction means what, this the second equation will apply the opposite sign. Plus 2x will become minus 2x, minus 4y will become plus 4y, and negative 24 will become positive 24. Okay, so now your focus will be what, this new sign. So very clearly you can see plus 2x minus 2x eliminated, 3 is positive, 4 is also new sign positive only. So 3y plus 4y will be 7y, and 11 new sign of 24 is plus, so 11 plus 24 will give you 35. So basically what is the y answer? 35 divided by 7, which will give you 5. Now this y value of 5 either you can put in equation 1 or in equation 2. Assume I am putting in equation number 1, which is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So 2x as it is, what is the value of y? Y is 5. So finally 2x plus 3, 5, 15 is equal to 11. So what we will do, 11 and positive 15 shift other side will become negative 15, right? So 11 minus 15 is negative 4. Both side divide 2. So negative 4 upon 2, which will give you negative 2. So hence, what is the ordered pair? X, Y equal to negative 2 and 5. This is required solution. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now see question number 15. Question number 15, what they're telling in figure ABCD is a rectangle, find the value of x and y. So for rectangle, what is the fact? We know opposite sides are equal, right? So we can say that AB will be equal to CD. That means I can write x plus y is equal to 30. Okay, the first equation will be what we will say, x plus y is equal to 30. Okay, that done. After that, other side we can see that BC equal to this DA, so x minus y equal to 14, right? This thing. So again, very clearly we can see this time easily we can eliminate variable y. Plus y minus y cancel, so we have to just add only. If you're adding both equation, plus y minus y cancel, x plus x will be 2x, and 30 plus 14 will be 44. So what is x value? 44 divide 2, which will give you 11. Sorry, 44 divide 2, which will give you what here? 22. And these again we can put any of the equation. For example, first equation I am putting x plus y is equal to 30. So x is 22, y we don't know. So ultimately what we will do, 30, this positive 22 shift other side negative 22. So y what we will get? 8. So x is equal to 22, y is equal to 8. This is required answer. Let's do now question number 16. Now see, for question number 16, what is the speciality? We can see the numbers are coming little bit big. So if we just following traditional approach, okay, whether you're doing elimination or substitution method, numbers are big, so calculation will be too much. Okay, but one more thing we can observe here, that numbers are big but coefficients are actually in the symmetric form. That means in first equation, whatever coefficient of x, that is the coefficient of y in second equation. And in first equation, whatever coefficient of y, that is basically coefficient of x in first equation. Okay, so whenever this kind of symmetric coefficients are given and coefficients are little bit actually the bigger number, in that before doing elimination the method, to get a simple form we'll do add subtract method. What it means to listen here. First equation I will write 21x plus 47y. 21x plus 47y is equal to 110. Give it number 1. And second equation, what? 47x plus 21y equal to 162. Okay, is equal to 162. This give it number 2. So here we can follow what? Add subtract method. That means one time I will add both equation 1 plus 2. So 21 plus 47 will be what? We'll get 68x. These add the 68y, and this if we add we'll get 272. Now if you look carefully, we can divide entire equation by 68. Okay, so 68 multiply 4 if I am trying. So 4 8 32, 3 carry 4 6 24 plus 3 27 272 coming. So entire equation divide by 68. So x plus y is equal to 4. Give it number 3. See, we got much simpler equation. And second time we will do the subtraction. Okay, 1 minus 2. So 21x minus 47x, which will be the negative 26x, right? 21 minus 47 is negative 26, and 47 minus 21, we're doing a subtraction of both. So 47 minus 21 is positive 26y, and 110 minus 162, which will be negative 52. Understanding? Now divide entire equation by 26. So negative x, positive y, and this is negative 2, right? Because 26 multiply 2 is what? It would be the 52. Give it number 4. So now easily we can solve these both equations. See, so this method we should keep in mind when coefficients are coming little bit the bigger. Follow add subtract method, and after that start the actual procedure. Okay. So now what we are going to do, these both will get cancelled. Y plus y 2y, 4 plus minus 2 is 2. So y will be 2 by 2, which is 1. Okay, and this you put in equation number 3 for example. So x plus y is equal to 4. So x plus 1 is equal to 4. So x will give us how much? 4 minus 1 3. So what is the ordered pair? The solution we can write in form of ordered pair, which is what? 3 comma 1. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Okay, let's see one more example on this. Question number 17. What we have, again we can see very clearly coefficients are coming little bit the bigger. The first is what? 217x plus 131y, and what is the number? 913. And here what? 131x plus 217y, and what is the number? 827. Okay, again we are going to follow here what? Add subtract method. So first I will add these 1 and 2. 7 plus 1 8, 3 plus 1 4, 348x. Here also if you add you will get 348y, and these add, so 3 plus 7 10, 1 carry 2 to 4, and 8 8 16 plus 1 17, right? Now see how to try these. So 348 directly I will try with 5, because you know 5 at 40 unit digit is matching. Okay, 5 4 20 24, 5 3 15, 1740 coming. So divide entire equation by 348. So we'll get x plus y is equal to 5. Give it number 3. Okay, then what we will do, other time we will perform the subtraction of these both. Okay, so 217 minus 131. So 7 minus 1 6, and 11 minus 3 will be 86x. 131y minus 217y minus 8 minus 86y, and 913 minus 827, which will be 6, and here will be 86 itself we will get. Okay, if we're doing these minus this, we will get here what? 86 only. Now divide by 86 to x minus y equal to 1. See how equation becomes simpler. From the big number we got ultra small here. So x plus y is equal to 5. In second equation, x minus y is equal to 1. Y no more. X plus x 2x, 5 plus 1 6. The 6 by 2 answer will be 3. Again put in any of the equation. For example, I am putting in equation number 3. So x plus y is equal to 5, x is 3 plus y is equal to 5, so y will be 5 minus 3, which will give you 2. Okay, so this was question number 17. Now see question number 18. Now we're starting the word problem. Okay, slowly all kind of word problem will explore after that new chapter. Number 18, what we have, half the perimeter of garden whose length is 4 more than width is 36 meter. Okay, so what they're telling, length is 4 more than width, so we can just do by one variable. Actually length is 4 meter, you can say, because here unit is given meter, so length is 4 meter more than width, so length is depends on width, ne? So first of all, what we should have, we should have the width, so we can assume let width be x meter, so length is 4 meter more, that means length will be automatically what, x plus 4 meter. Okay, now what they're telling, half of the perimeter, they're telling half of the perimeter of garden is 36. Sorry, so half of perimeter is 36, so what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2 times length plus width, and half of this means over 2, so that is 36. So very clearly you can see 2 to eliminated, L is what, x plus 4, and width is what, x equal to 36. So this will be 2x plus 4 equal to 36. So 36 minus 4 is 32. So 32 by 2, answer will be 16, right? So therefore what will be the length? X plus 4, which is 20 meter, and what will be the width? X itself, which is basically 16 meter. And what is the perimeter? If you see, 2 into L plus B, which is 36 multiplied to 72, and 72 by half will be 36 only. Okay, so I hope this just we got the answer by using one variable only. One more question, this is based on the graph. Okay, what they're telling you, draw the graph of these both equation, determine the coordinate of vertex of triangle formed by this line x-axis, and shade the triangular region also. Okay, so first of all we have to draw the graph of this, and we know that the linear equation graph will always be straight line. Okay, and what is the thing which will define the line uniquely? 2 points will define the line uniquely. So we'll start with first one, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So we can easily find x and y intercept. First what you take, x equal to 0, so 0 minus y plus 1 equal to 0, so minus y equal to minus 1, y will be 1, right? And then other time what I am putting, y equal to 0 I am putting, so x minus 0 plus 1 equal to 0, so x will be negative 1. So what we got here, for this line 2 points is enough. Okay, if you want to find more than 2 points you can find your wish, but to draw the line at least 2 points we should have. Now here x is minus 1, y is 0, so this is the first thing. Now second line is what, and when you taking the point, try to avoid the decimal. Okay, why? Because again it will be the headache to the plot on the graph, so try to take the whole number only, so the plotting part will be easy. Okay, here the x is equal to, I'm taking a 0, so 3 into 0 plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, so 3 into 0 0, 2y equal to 12, so y will be 6. Then you put y equal to 0, so here 2 into 0 minus 12 equal to 0, 2 into 0 0, 12 will go that side, so x will be 4, right? So what are the points here, x and y? X is 0, y is 6, and if y is 0, x is 4. Okay, now to plot these on the graph paper. Okay, I am drawing now here actually rough sketch. You can draw properly, neat and clean on graph paper. Horizontal line x-axis, vertical line y-axis, and this is negative x-axis, and this is negative y-axis, intersection origin we know. Okay, the first point is what, 0 comma 1, so we know that 0 comma 1 we can graph somewhere here, right? Then what, minus 1 comma 0, so minus 1 comma 0 will be here, so first line we will get something like this. Okay, this is the first line. Then other point, other line, which is a 0 comma 6, so we know that 2 3 4 5 and 6 will be somewhere here. Okay, let me extend a little bit. So this is y-axis 2, 3, 4. This is basically 5 and this is 6 for example. So this is 0, comma 6 and 4, comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, comma 0 is this. So very clearly you can see that second line we will get something like this. Okay. So what they asking us here, determine the coordinate of vertex of triangle formed by this line and x-axis and shade the triangular region. So this is a triangle is there, two line and x-axis. So this is x-axis and these are two line. So you have to write the coordinate of this triangle and we have to shade that triangular region also. The shading part I am doing here. Okay. Now to write the coordinate, these though already we know, no? We already graph this. This particular point will be 4, comma 0. This will be minus 1, comma 0. That's not a problem. But to find these, if you are doing properly on the graph paper and if point of intersection is coming the whole number, the natural number, then easily you can read from the graph. I have drawn the rough sketch. Of course this will not be the accurate, I cannot write actually answer with accuracy, but what I am telling that if it is coming the natural number, it can be easily read from the graph. But if it is coming in the fraction or decimal, you have to solve these equations simultaneously. So now I have not done on the graph paper, so I will check what is intersection by solving equations simultaneously. By the way, you guys no need to solve it if it is coming the whole number from the graph. If it is not the coming, then to conclude the answer, it's better to solve both equations separately by suitable method. So see, x minus y equal to the minus 1 I'm writing. This one I'm shifting that side, and 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 I am writing. These give number 1, number 2, this multiply by 2. So first equation multiply by 2, 2x minus 2y equal to minus 2, and second equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So this cut, this is 5x is equal to 10, so x will be 2, right? And that you put any of the equation. For example, you put in equation number 1, so 2 minus y equal to minus 1, so minus y, this 2 will go that side, right? So negative 1, negative 2, which is negative 3. So y will be 3. So this is 2 comma 3. Okay. That means it will be like this. We can read this is 2 and this 1, 2 and 3 like this it will come. Okay. Of course, I have not done with accuracy, but this point will be 2 comma 3. So thing is what I have not done now on the graph paper. Okay. So this part is not required. This is not a part of solution. Okay, just I am solving this to conclude the answer. So what are the coordinates of these vertices of triangle minus 1 0 4 0 and 2 3, which is also readable from the graph, and generally it will be like this only. But sometime I am talking in worst case this scenario, assume that point of intersection is coming 1 by 2 1 by 3, how we can read from graph? In that we have to do this kind of calculation only. Okay, so just for being safe side I'm giving the advice, otherwise we can directly read from the graph. Okay.